Alright, so we've got a 1989 Suzuki DT2, a little single cylinder, 2-stroke, direct drive, so there's no gears on it. Really nice little simple piece of kit really. So it came in, it was overheating quite badly. You've seen on some of the pictures where the head's been burnt and scored, but you can actually see where it's all blocked up and all crusted up in the waterways, so water weren't been able to flow through as it should do, and it should come up from the gearbox. You can see three little holes there where the intake is. The impeller is behind the propeller, pushes water up the tube, around the power head, back into the exhaust and around to cool everything down, and then you've got 2 bypass ports there, and you can see a stream of water coming out when it's cooling. So all this water tube has been cooled, the power head's been cooled, and the cylinder head and everything under this cover is being cooled as well. So it's had new gaskets on a new power head gasket and a new cylinder head gasket. There was a broken bolt, which usually quite naughty to get out, but not too much swearing actually trying to get that one out. It came out with a little resistance, but yeah, back in action. Starts first pull, and you can see in the next video you can see it cooling, because I can't talk over it because you won't be able to hear me very well, and the little Suzuki will be thumping away making all noisy background, so that's why it's not running now. But if you watch the next video you'll see what I mean about the water coming out of the exhaust bypass holes there. You know, the cooling balls there. You can't actually see it without putting your hand there. Put your hand there, you can see it. Bypass holes there. That's the water circulating around. See it there though. There we go. Another engine back into circulation. Happy days. Thanks guys.